Traders, Zelman here, July 27, 2018. After the market close, I'm going to report on ticker symbol HEME, Health Med Services. You can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher or visit my site www.thetradingteacher.com. I reported on HEME a few days back. I think the last couple of days or so. Notice support level. Posted on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. You'll get to see the latest my latest views on certain stocks and trades, my personal opinions, and I do post videos moving forward on my belief on what's going to happen the following days coming up on a particular stock symbol. So if you're interested, follow me, and if you would like to take a course, let me know. First course starts September of 2018. Direct message me. I'll let you know the course of the course. The curriculum, how long is the course? The course is live. I trade live as I explain how the trading language in theory works. So if you're interested, feel free to direct message me. So ticker symbol HEME. I stayed at the bottom, and I noticed there's a bottom around this level right here. It trailed higher. 6 cents was the resistance. First, the resistance was 0.0048, broke through there. And then we saw resistance been battling for the last 2 days was 0.0060. Right now, it looks like the bulls have the better end of the stick, especially what happened throughout the end part of the day with a 0.006 print. Looks strong, looks bullish. You can see the MAC histogram over here is turning around and trying to get into bullish territory right now. My honest opinion, and once she breaks through 0.007, she's going to test a penny. And if she breaks through this 0.0104, let's say, if it goes to 0.011 and closes above it, we can see 2 cents, 3 cents, maybe even a nickel. This is all my opinion, and obviously it's not going to, stocks don't move up that fast right away. But sometimes they do, but just don't expect it to happen overnight or in the next couple of days or so, whatever the case may be. But right now, HEME is in bullish. It seems like it's heading into bullish territory. It seems like the buyers are in this. It held it. It's pushing it forward. Very volatile, low float. Yeah, the stock looks like a great position and great opportunity heading into next week for the longs. So good luck to all you individuals. Remember, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher or visit my site www.thetradingteacher.com.